We offered the film to many people, and everyone liked the script. And then finally, we locked Farhan for it actually, and we locked Sivakarthikeyan for it. We were making one Tamil version and one Hindi version, because Prasanna is a Tamilian also. So we thought कि चलो दो version बनाते हैं, Tamil और Hindi. So all that was locked. And then what happened is that as a producer, I have to sit on the script na, to finalize the final draft. So I had always told Prasanna and Divya, the writer, कि हम लोग एक हफ्ता बैठेंगे once everything is locked. तो actor lock हो गए, सब lock हो गए. Now prep was going to start. So before prep, I said एक दिन हम लोग एक हफ्ता बैठते हैं. तो एक हफ्ता script पे बैठे, and literally in the first half an hour of the work that we started on the first day, as Divya was reading the script and we were stopping and discussing here and there, in the first half an hour only I got the feeling that I was telling myself, tell me again, why are you not doing this film? It's a superb script. Yeah. So I was like, तो गड़बड़ हो गई यार. और तक थोड़ा टाइम भी पास हो गया था, तब तक लाल सिंह का फ्लॉप से मैं रिकवर हो गया था. I had recovered actually. So then 7 days went by. And on the 7th day at lunchtime around we finished. And then I told Prasanna and Divya that yaar, I have to tell you that I really love the script. To the extent that almost every day I got this feeling कि काश मैं कर रहा होता. But anyway, now it's too late. We have gone ahead and all that is decided. So of course, the moment I said that, then all hell broke loose. They said, "नहीं नहीं, आप ही करिए," and all that. Then I said, "अरे यार, we've spoken to Farhan, dates हो गया है, Sivakarthikeyan. It doesn't look nice. It doesn't reflect well on me. I'm the producer. पहले मैं बोल रहा हूँ film करो, फिर मैं बोल रहा हूँ मत करो. मुझे करना है. मेरा बैट है, मुझे बैटिंग करनी है. ऐसे बचपना हो जाता है यार. ऐसे मैं ऐसे कैसे करूँगा यार? It doesn't look nice. But Prasanna was the person who convinced me, and he said that, sir, you were my first choice. You were going through a low, so you decided that now for some time you don't want to act. If you want to act again, then in all honesty you should do the film. If you have. So I said, but what about Farhan and Sivakarthikeyan? He said, you talk to them, tell them. So I told them honestly. I told Sivakarthikeyan and Farhan exactly what journey I had been through. I said, it's happened like that. Now this is what I'm feeling. So they were both very supportive. They said, no, sir, आपका मन आ गया तो आप करो फिर. आपका मन